You said? Can I ask you one question?
Ask me a question.
I want to ask you 5 questions.
5 questions.
If you answer that,
I win.
I will give you the metal band that has been giving you sleepless nights.
Eh?
I will give you metal band. The grass you are pricing 150.
I'm pricing which one 150? Grass you use good.
I said I have brand new.
Okay, can I forget it?
Now what can I do? You want to rub me off? Listen.
Can't forget
I want to give you 4.
Oh, you're not supposed to be I'm about to go now.
Any day you will make mistake and touch me like this, I tell myself to knock your house down. Emeka is that.
You gonna India in our Bafa. You have from yesterday. If I'm going to yesterday.
You see how stupid they are? Who gave you their number?
I'm not going now.
Okay.
Of course I will tell
do you know them before?
I'm a Hannah.
But I gave you their number, right?
You give me their number.
Do you know what is called king of boys?
Hey.
Do you know I'm the king of boys in California?
Oh my God. This man.
Just to tell you who I am. I can call Malison and partners now.
I forgot the glasses.
I don't have it here.
Eh?
I can call Malison and partners now.
Why are you here now?
I'm using this one. I say you don't want to buy it. I have brand new.
I
can call. Then go to shop and buy 500.
Eh?
I will give it to you 350. It's 500 in the shop. This is Meta 2. And this is large. And this is transition.
Oh, Bruno, you need to
hey, listen. You can go to the store. They have the one for 200. That one is small. It's not Wi-Fi. It's not transition. This one in the night, you can see clear. In the day, it becomes sunshade. Yeah? Listen. Yeah? By the time you know who I am, by the time you know who by the time you know who I am, you stole it yesterday and I revoked to last now. But
$100 now.
By the time you know who I am, I smoke $100 cigarette every day. I smoke $100 cigarette every day. By the time you know who I am, I become the Anambra State Governor.
Serious guy with me.
Do you know Chris Ngige?
Now my guy now.
Yeah? My brother-in-law, Emeka Abone, gave Chris Ngige 150 million.
Yeah, give me here.
Are you listening? Let me teach you history of Nnokwa. My brother-in-law, Emeka Abone, gave Chris Ngige 150 million during his governorship campaign.
I want to go now.
If I didn't lose my picture, I show you a picture of Chris Ngige swallowing, lushing semo in my house.
Actually, for now, I want to go.
Like Chris Ngige has to book appointment to come to my house. In case you don't know.
You get my account number and send the gig now. $100.
Do you understand that I smoke $100 cigarette every day and I don't have a job? When you